Welcome back guys to another video. This is like one of the big videos, and in this video I'm using a wheel to decide the finishing position of each race. I'm using the 2026 calendar and the grid, but no sprints. So here's the grid if you all need a refresh. Norris and Piastri in McLaren, Russell and Antonelli in Mercedes, Verstappen and Hadjar in Red Bull, Leclerc and Hamilton in Ferrari, Sainz and Albon in Williams, Lawson and Lindblad in RB, Alonso and Stroll in Aston Martin, Batman and Ocon in Haas, Hülkenberg and Bortoleto in Sauber, Gasly and Colapinto in Alpine, and Bottas and Perez in a Cadillac. So let's not waste too much time, let's get started very soon. Okay, we're kicking in the first round, which takes place in Australia. Hülkenberg wins this race with Bottas in second and Ocon in third. Piastri gets fourth, followed by Stroll, Alonso, Albon, Perez, Lindblad, and Sainz the scorers. Just missing out to score, Lewis Hamilton in 11th, followed by Hadjar, Gasly, Norris, Batman, Bortoleto, Lawson, Antonelli, Colapinto, Leclerc, Russell, and Verstappen. Oh yeah, if you're confused, remember first gets 25, second gets 18, third gets 15. Round 2 in China, Piastri wins this race, followed by Gasly in second, Norris in third, Russell in fourth, Bortoleto in fifth, followed by Verstappen, Bottas, Leclerc, Hadjar, and Lawson. Hamilton once again missing out, followed by Sainz, Lindblad, Antonelli, Perez, Ocon, Colapinto, Stroll, Alonso, Hülkenberg, Albon, and Batman. As I was saying, fourth gets 12th place, fifth gets 10. Fourth gets 12 points, fifth gets 10. Yeah. Round 3 in Japan, Gasly wins once again, Ocon is in second, and Albon in third. Colapinto's in fourth, Sainz is in fifth, and Batman, Perez, Verstappen, Piastri, and Bortoleto, the rest of the point scorers. Alonso in 11th, 12th goes to Stroll, followed by Leclerc, Lindblad, Hülkenberg, Norris, Lawson, Bottas, Russell, Hadjar, Antonelli, and Hamilton. Yeah, then 6 gets 8 points, 7 gets 6 points. Round 4 in Bahrain, Batman wins it, followed by Bottas in second and Verstappen in third. Leclerc comes in fourth, Ocon in fifth, Hamilton in sixth, Bortoleto in seventh, Hülkenberg in 8th, Hadjar in 9th, and Antonelli in 10th. 11th, missing out on the points, is Lawson, followed by Gasly, Colapinto, Alonso, Sainz, Piastri, Russell, Norris, Perez, Stroll, Albon, and Lindblad. As I was continued to saying, 8th is 4 points, 9th is 2 points, and 10th is 1 point. The rest of them, no points. Round 5, Saudi Arabia. Russell wins it, followed by Bortoleto and Hamilton, and then followed by Alonso, Albon, Hülkenberg, Verstappen, Hadjar, Bottas, and Leclerc point scorers. From 11th, Colapinto, Stroll, Sainz, Antonelli, Perez, Batman, Ocon, Gasly, Norris, Lindblad, Lawson, Piastri. My lips are getting dry saying so many names. Round 6 in Miami sees Russell winning the race, followed by Bottas in second and Norris in third. Alonso comes fourth, followed by Antonelli, Lawson, Hülkenberg, Albon, Leclerc, and Ocon. Piastri just misses out on the points, followed by Lindblad, Colapinto, Sainz, Verstappen, Batman, Bortoleto, Perez, Stroll, Hamilton, Hadjar, and Gasly. Round 7 in Canada sees Antonelli winning it, followed by Albon and Hamilton. 4th goes to Hülkenberg, 5th goes to Sainz, 6th goes to Lawson, 7th goes to Alonso, 8th goes to Stroll, 9th goes to Ocon, and 10th goes to Bottas. 11th is Hadjar, 12th is Gasly, followed by Batman, Leclerc, Verstappen, Lindblad, Russell, Norris, Piastri, Colapinto, and Perez. Eighth in Monaco, Albon is first, followed by Ocon in second and Russell in third. Bortoleto comes fourth, followed by Hadjar, Alonso, Perez, Lawson, Lindblad, and Sainz. Lewis Hamilton missing out once again, followed by Bottas, Leclerc, Colapinto, Verstappen, Piastri, Hülkenberg, Norris, Gasly, Stroll, Antonelli, and Batman. Looks like those very strong drivers are not scoring that much here at the moment. Hopefully that changes for them, but that also means that midfield can get more wins. Round 9 in Spain or Catalonia, the new track, I believe. I can't remember. No, wait. I have honestly no clue if it's the new or old. Either way, Lawson wins it, followed by Leclerc and Alonso. Batman takes 4th, followed by Hadjar, Russell, Antonelli, Bortoleto, Gasly, Bottas running off the point scoring. 11th goes to Sainz, followed by Stroll, Verstappen, Hülkenberg, Colapinto, Hamilton, Piastri, Ocon, Lindblad, Norris, Perez, and Albon. Round 10 in Austria sees Ocon winning it, followed by Batman and Lawson. Lindblad comes 4th, followed by Colapinto, Gasly, Hamilton, Hadjar, Perez, and Leclerc. 11th goes to Hülkenberg, followed by Stroll, Verstappen, Alonso, Russell, Piastri, Sainz, Bottas, Albon, Antonelli, Norris, and Bortoleto. And now we head into the penultimate race before the mid-season. Not the mid-season break, but literally the mid-season. Round 11 in the UK, a surprise not in the round 12, honestly. Perez wins it, followed by Antonelli and Lawson. Hadjar comes in 4th, followed by Bottas, Russell, Batman, Alonso, Ocon, and Bortoleto. Hülkenberg takes 11th, followed by Norris, Leclerc, Albon, Verstappen, Sainz, Piastri, Stroll, Colapinto, Lindblad, Gasly, and Lewis Hamilton in P22. Race 12 in Belgium sees Carlos Sainz winning it, followed by Gasly in 2nd and Piastri in 3rd. Antonelli comes 4th, followed by Stroll, Batman, Lawson, Albon, Lindblad, and Bortoleto in 10th. Colapinto comes 11th, followed by Hadjar, Hamilton, Alonso, Perez, Hülkenberg, Russell, Bottas, Ocon, Leclerc, Verstappen, and Norris. Now with round 12 completed, let's see what the Drivers' Championship and Constructors' Championship looks like. First of all, the Drivers' Championship. 3, 2, 1. Russell is leading the Drivers' Championship with 93 points, Ocon with 91 points, and Albon in 82 points in 2nd and 3rd. Lawson comes in 4th with 82 points as well, so does Bottas with 82 points in 5th. Batman with 77 points is in 6th, followed by Antonelli with 72 in 7th. 71 points goes to Gasly with 8th. Alonso with in 9th with 65 points. Hülkenberg with 55 points and 10 in top 10. Piastri is 54 points in 11th in the top half. Bortoleto is 52 in 12th place. 13th goes to Sainz with 47 points. Hamilton and Hadjar both tied on 44 points, 14th and 15th. Perez with 43 points is 16th. Leclerc 38 points is 17th. Verstappen with 33 points is 18th. Norris with 30 points is 19th. Stroll with 24 points is 20th. Colapinto with 22 points is 21st. And Lindblad with 18 points is 22nd. But it's okay, he's still a rookie. So, yeah. Honestly, it looks quite realistic in my opinion. Except for those at the back. Most of them. Constructors' Championship in the mid-season, Haas is 1st with 168 points, Mercedes is 2nd with 165, Williams is 3rd with 129, Cadillac is 4th with 125, Sauber is 5th with 107, running off the top 5. RB comes in 6th with 100 points, 7th goes to 83 points, 8th goes to Aston Martin with 89 points, 9th goes to McLaren. Race 13 in Hungary sees Hadjar win it, followed by Checo Perez and Albon in 3rd. 4th goes to Stroll, followed by Leclerc, Gasly, Sainz, Alonso, Antonelli, and Ocon. 11th goes to Norris, followed by Russell, Bottas, Batman, Verstappen, Hülkenberg, Hamilton, Lindblad, Lawson, Colapinto, Bortoleto, and Piastri rounds off. Race 14 in the Netherlands sees Lawson win it, followed by Ocon in 2nd, Batman in 3rd, Antonelli in 4th, Colapinto in 5th. Russell comes 6th, followed by Alonso, Leclerc, Sainz, and Hadjar. Hamilton missing out in P11 once again, followed by Bottas, Hülkenberg, Bortoleto, Gasly, Verstappen, Piastri, Perez, Norris, Lindblad, Stroll, and Albon. Race 15 in Italy, Bortoleto wins it, followed by Antonelli, followed by Bottas, Lawson, Colapinto, Stroll, Alonso, Norris, Ocon, Lindblad, Albon, Leclerc, Gasly, Russell, Batman, Hamilton, Checo, Verstappen, Piastri, Hadjar, Sainz, and Nico Hülkenberg rounds off the grid. Race 16 in Spain sees Perez win it, followed by Stroll in 2nd and Colapinto in 3rd. Fourth goes to Hulkenberg, just missing on the podium, followed by Ocon, Gasly, Antonelli, Hadjar, Bottas, and Russell. Bortoleto comes in a disappointing P11, followed by Sainz, Lindblad, Alonso, Lawson, Norris, Verstappen, Piastri, Albon, Hamilton, Leclerc, Bamman. All the top names are near the back. Leclerc, Hamilton, Piastri, Verstappen, Norris, they're all here. Round 17 at Azerbaijan Baku, Lawson comes in first with 25 points, Perez in second, and Gasly in third. Fourth goes to Norris, followed by Alonso, Verstappen, Hulkenberg, Leclerc, Bortoleto, and Russell rounds off the point scoring. 11th goes to Stroll, followed by Antonelli, Hadjar, Albon, Sainz, Colapinto, Hamilton, Bamman, Piastri, Ocon, Bottas, and Lindblad. Round 18 in Singapore sees Lawson win another race with Ocon in second and Antonelli in third. Bortoleto comes fourth, followed by Gasly, Piastri, Albon, Hadjar, Bottas, and Alonso. 11th is Lindblad, followed by Hamilton, Hulkenberg, Norris, Verstappen, Colapinto, Bamman, Perez, Stroll, Leclerc, Russell, and Sainz in 22nd. Because there's like a wheel, there's no DNF, so yeah, that's the only set part. But it's a really chaotic simulation though, with a lot of different winners, and you'll be surprised. Round 19 in the US sees Stroll win it, followed by Norris and Colapinto. Sainz comes fourth, followed by Hadjar, Leclerc, Antonelli, Verstappen, Ocon, and Albon. P11 goes to Lawson, followed by Bamman, Gasly, Perez, Russell, Hulkenberg, Piastri, Bottas, Bortoleto, Alonso, Lindblad, and Hamilton in dead last. Race 20 in Mexico sees Lawson win another race, followed by Piastri, Ocon, Lindblad, Albon, Norris, Antonelli, Stroll, Hulkenberg, Russell, Colapinto, Leclerc, Gasly, Sainz, Perez, Hamilton, Alonso, Bamman, Bottas, Bortoleto, Hadjar, and Max Verstappen rounds off the grid. Now I have to put 2 dashes there because there's 22 drivers instead of 20, so that's the sad part. Yeah. Round 21 in Brazil sees Albon winning it with Bamman and Norris finishing off the podium. Hadjar comes in 4th, followed by Leclerc, Bortoleto, Hulkenberg, Piastri, Lindblad, and Alonso comes in 10th. P11 goes to Valtteri Bottas, followed by Albon, Alonso, Ocon, Bamman, Sainz, Hadjar, Antonelli, Norris, Piastri, Lawson, and Verstappen. Oh, but the initials look so similar, bro. Sorry, not initials, the first 3 letters of the surname. Albon and Alonso, Bottas and Bortoleto. Race 23 in Qatar, Hamilton finally wins the race, followed by Russell, Piastri, Antonelli, Norris, Verstappen, Leclerc, Bortoleto, Alonso, Ocon, Colapinto, Hulkenberg, Sainz, Gasly, Albon, Bottas, Stroll, Perez, Hadjar, Lindblad. Where there's Alonso and Albon, there's Bottas and Bortoleto, there's Perez and Verstappen. It's crazy though. And race 24 in Abu Dhabi, Verstappen wins it with Hamilton in second. Oh, this is triggering PTSD, bro. Perez comes third, Leclerc in 4th, Ocon in 5th, Stroll is 6th, Gasly in 8th, Piastri in 9th, and Albon in 10th. P11 just missing on the points, Colapinto, followed by Sainz, Lawson, Bottas, Antonelli, Bortoleto, Norris, Bamman, Hadjar, Hulkenberg, Hadjar, Lindblad, and Alonso. Yeah, so how does the driver championship look? This is how it is. Lawson wins it quite comfortably in the end, 204 points lead, domination by Lawson. Ocon comes in second with 168 points, Antonelli in third with 149, Perez in fourth with 144, Russell, who was leading in the mid-season, drops down to 5th with 140 points, 6th goes to Albon with 140 points as well, 7th goes to Gasly with 117, Bamman is in 8th with 110 points, Bortoleto and Stroll both with 109 points in 9th and 10th, Hamilton with 102 points is in 11th, 12th goes to Piastri with 101 points, Bortoleto also with 101 points in 13th, Hadjar and Leclerc both with 100 points, 14th and 15th, Norris with 97 points, 16th, 17th goes to Alonso with 94 points, 18th goes to Colapinto with 90 points, Hulkenberg with 85 points is in 19th, 20th goes to Verstappen with 78 points, 21st goes to Sainz with 67 points, and in last place, Lindblad with 35 points. So actually Colapinto and Stroll managed to pull away. Stroll all the way up to 109 points, Colapinto with 90 points. However, Lindblad, the unfortunate rookie, who comes in last. Constructors' Championship in the end looks like this. Mercedes overtakes Haas, I believe, 289 points to win the Constructor Championship. Haas comes in second with 278, Cadillac with 245 in third, RB comes in fourth with 239 points, fifth with Williams with 207 points, Alpine is 207 points, are tied with them, Aston Martin is 203 points in seventh, eighth goes to Ferrari with 202 points, McLaren is 198 points in ninth, 10th goes to Sauber with 194 points, and 11th and dead last goes to Red Bull with 178 points. Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Sorry, there's no outro because I low-key forgot. Bye-bye.